What is up, guys? It's Hammy here. So a while back I linked up with a company called Benlari. They make motorcycle pegs and other stuff for bikes too. Now you guys have seen all the different pegs they sent me, but they sent me a backrest too. But TikTok in its infinite wisdom decided to take down the videos that I shot for it because maybe a pack of cigarettes got left somewhere it shouldn't have been, and TikTok thinks that's a whatever, not cool offense. So this is my third time trying to do this, and hopefully it goes through this time. I told Benlari that I would do this, so I'm taking it off again and putting it back on again so you can see it, because I really want to work with these guys. I'm trying to get my bike rebuilt and back up on the road, and I'm trying to do it all out in Benlari stuff and get their help with it. So any interaction with this helps with that. But let's get back to it. So here's the long and short of it. When I bought this bike, the stock seat had a backrest clipped into the back of the seat. I didn't like the seat. It wasn't very comfortable, so I went and got a Road King seat. Well, no more backrest with that, right? You open the box, everything comes out in a couple of pieces, right? You're going to put this together like this. This piece, which is going to be your clip-in, mounts right over the holes where they already go, where your seat bolts down. Now pay close attention, because what I'm about to do is not how it's meant to be installed. This piece actually goes up under your seat, rides back like that. Then this bracket mounts on top of your bolts. You have a sturdy setting. But again, with this Road King seat, it's not happening. So I flipped it, and I had a piece, I don't know where it's gone to now, but I ran to that, and I ran to my actual rear seat bolt. But beside the point, then you're going to take the seat back, you're going to squeeze these in like this, you're going to fit it into that hole till it clicks, and there's multiple settings so you can lock it at different heights. And voila, just like that, you have a seat back for the driver. It's a little stiff, but I mean, I could work it. Just change the angle up some. Guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Benlari, who's been super patient with me while TikTok has taken down videos because I had a cigarette burning in the background, or I had a pack of cigarettes sitting there, or whatever. And apparently that means I'm promoting the use of tobacco to minors. Definitely want to thank them for sending this out, because it's really cool. I haven't had a seat back in a long time. I'm getting old, I'm getting fat. It'll help. I want to give a huge apology to my bike, Babe the Blue Ox, who has been sitting for way too long. I just haven't had the money to work on her, and now she's sat so long she's probably in as bad a shape as she was when I first got her and rebuilt her, and that's not good. Which unfortunately may mean she doesn't have any more runs left in her. I don't have the kind of bankroll to rebuild her again, and I don't know. That being said, if you've got a scrapped O2 Electroglide that you don't want, I'll take it off your hands. I need the parts. Or if you've got a barn find or a bike just sitting there that you don't want because you've got 20 in your garage, holler at me, because I definitely want it, because my mental health is kind of suffering without being on twos. And yeah, so Benlari backrest.